Both sides are done presenting witnesses and evidence and have closed their cases. So the first thing Wednesday morning, the judge is going to read the charges to the jury, and then both sides will give closing arguments and jury will begin deliberating. On the final day of testimony, both sides presented expert witnesses to talk about the reasonableness of Aaron Dean's actions and was he justified in using deadly force. The defense expert, Jay Coons, says he had no problem with how Dean handled the call from the start and how it ended. Dean and his partner were at Atatiana-Jefferson's home on a call about an open door. Coons testified because Dean thought it might be a burglary, he needed to check all the entrances and windows, and when he came across Atatiana at the window in her backyard, he had to use deadly force when he saw her with a gun.
So really, as far as the training, as far as your options as a human being, it's down to one decision only.
While prosecutors called Jonathan Priest, an expert on police-involved shootings, who testified that Dean and his partner mishandled the call from the very beginning and they should have called for backup if they thought it was a burglary.
Best practices, two choices: knock and announce, back off, call for cover. So those are the two main things.
The officers never identified themselves as police, and Priest testified the shooting could have been avoided had Dean stopped, listened, and followed his training. Now, the judge has said that if this jury cannot reach a verdict, he is going to sequester them throughout their deliberations. In Fort Worth, I'm Rebecca Lopez.